Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to contact customer support in BitGo account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on enter. You will be directed to official page of BitGo. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile icon. Click on it and you will see Contact Support option. Click on this option and your email will be directly opened. You can also contact via contact@bitgo.com email address, which is the official support email address of BitGo. So that is how you can contact customer support for BitGo. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.